When I found myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.